because being an animal welfare organization, obviously we're very concerned about the overpopulation problem here in the United States. But these dogs are an exception, and I think that probably within a year's period of time we will have brought out maybe 100 dogs, which certainly will not have any impact on our overpopulation problem here.
They are hard to photograph. Yes,
They really are. Or paw inside. But these dogs and cats are an exception. They've gotten our troops who've befriended them through some incredibly difficult times. We've had men and women who've lost members of their units, and we're really struggling with the loss. And the dog or cat that was a part of that unit really gave them the comfort that they needed to just kind of keep doing what they had to do every day to be able to finally come home. Not a Slim Jim or a steak
So nice.
or nothing. But so do mine, so.
I was going to say, that's not uncommon for an international flight. So. That's very nice. This is one laid-back dog.
It's jet lag.
Ratchet's very healthy, good body condition, well-nourished, good coat quality, very nice dog. Everything you want to see, especially after a very long international flight. So we're extremely pleased to make an assessment of.
I can barely take care of myself.
Yeah.
Well, that's good that you
And
recognize
the
that, because
majority
some
of
people
dogs that
don't.
brought back have had a great bill of health just like this.
Yeah.
Even though
Heart and lungs are good. His teeth are quite good. He hasn't been abused in any way. He's actually as well taken care of as just about any dog I see here on a regular basis, which is great to see. It was a feral cat, and so it happens.
Hey, buddy.
It happens everywhere in the world.
yeah.